Embrace the world of Asus Chromebooks, which is incredibly fast, snappy, and super efficient enough to instantly make you fall in love with them. The reason behind such praise is that when I personally got a hold of this beauty, I was amazed at how lightweight and sturdy it felt. Moreover, with just 5mm bezels, the 14-inch screen gave impressions as if it's a 17-inch screen because the 4-way nano edge boundaries were non-existent. The praise just doesn't end here. The versatility of this laptop goes beyond one's head once you find out that it has a 360 hinge, which means you can rotate it almost all the way back without having to worry about breaking it. And since you could rotate the hinge to convert the laptop into tablet or tent mode, the touchscreen capabilities basically become the icing on the cake. Not to mention, this all-in-one machine is backed by the power of Intel Core M3-8100Y with 2 cores and 4 threads with a base clock of 1.10 GHz and a maximum turbo boost up to 3.4 GHz. Such RAW is not only feasible for everyday multitasking, but the architecture behind the processor ensures you save as much as battery runtime as possible to prolong the laptop use. The best part is that even though it's a budget laptop, the specifications don't scream low-end at all, because it is armed with 8GB LPDDR3 RAM as well as 64GB eMMC storage space to house your precious office documents and files without breaking a sweat. That's not it yet. To keep you busy even in dimly lit rooms or at night, you can utilize the keyboard backlighting feature. However, don't expect it to customize to RGB colors. My only complaint would be the fact that it has fewer USB ports such as dual USB Type-C, a single USB Type-A, a microSD card slot, and a headphone jack. So if you are working with plenty of peripherals on a regular basis, you may find the lack of ports a bit disappointing or downright absurd. Asus compensated for the shortcomings of this laptop by offering a year of free Google Cloud storage, which includes 100 GB, so you can upload all your files, images, and videos in one place.